Hazrat Sahil bin Saad Saidi radiyallahu anhu states, a woman came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have come to you in order to present myself to you. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his glance and viewing her from top to toe lowered his head. When that woman saw that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not make any decision regarding her, she sat down. Then one of his companions radiyallahu anhum got up and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you do not need her, marry her to me. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you have got anything? He submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have got nothing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go to your household and carry out a search. Perhaps you may find something. He went home, then came back and submitted. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have got nothing. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go and search, though it may be an iron ring. He went away and then came back to submit. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I could not find even an iron ring. I have got only this rapier. I will give this woman the half of the rapier. Sahal the reporter says he did not have even a chador sheet. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what will your this chador do? If you wear it, she will get nothing. If she puts it on, there will remain nothing for you. So he sat down, and after fairly a long time, he got up. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw him going, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded to fetch him back. When he came back, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, how much Quran do you have retained? He submitted, I have memorized such and such chapters, and thus counted those chapters to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, can you recite these chapters from memory? He submitted, yes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, go, I have married her to you for the Quran you have memorized. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3472.